So this is my second day with AtomStack P1, and let's see what I made already. It's the Model X, I think, of Tesla, and as you can see, the details are not super fine, so I might have to increase the power a little of their laser, which is quite simple to do. But I guess this cardboard is a little rougher than the one that I used previously, because now not all the details are as clearly defined as before. I also noticed that the cardboard was bending a little because the ventilation system was doing its thing while the laser was working. So yeah, you immediately see that the type of material and even the quality of the material that you're using has an enormous impact on the end results. And this is just an SVG file that I found for free online, and then I imported it in LightBurn. I resized it a little and yeah, just got the process going. This was done like under 20 seconds, I think, so very fast. So it looks kind of cool. Resizing in LightBurn can sometimes be a little hit or miss. You have to, especially with texts, be careful and make sure that you're doing it correctly, or resize stuff or reposition them if needed. What I'm currently still trying to figure out is how to correctly position the material, because as you can see at the moment, the cardboard almost fills the entire laser engraver. But for example, if I would use smaller objects, I would have to be more precise in the positioning. So this is something that I have to look into further. And yeah, it's been a lot of fun so far. I think, yeah, you just need to tough it out at first to make sure that you get the correct settings, that you get LightBurn correctly set up, or the software of AtomStack itself. I haven't tried that. But yeah, I think it's really cool that you can already see the results quite quickly. For example, if it would have taken a few more hours to see the first results, I guess a lot of people would get demotivated. For example, if you have a 3D printer, you can print the Benchy quite fast. And I think with these laser engravers, you can also see the results quite quickly. So you don't have to wait weeks before you can start your first project, which makes it a lot more fun, because you're feeling the progress and actually have the impression that you know what you're doing. So it's still step by step you're going to learn. So I started out with some text, now I have some images. I guess the next step will be positioning items better and working with different materials. But it's been definitely a lot of fun so far. I just connect the AtomStack P1 with the cable, so it's immediately connected to my computer. I don't use the network, Wi-Fi network, just because I find it easier to work that way. But obviously you can use the app on your phone if you prefer that. I just work with my computer and a cable. So it's definitely a lot of fun. I still need to learn more about the settings, positioning, and materials, but the results so far are already quite nice. So thank you for watching, subscribe for more, and have a great day.